Hi, my name is Nur Iftitamida Hamza. My matrix number is 111612. Today I'm going to talk a little bit of myself as for a resume video. So a little bit of myself is I was experienced and motivated architectural professional with a solid background in technical drafting and project execution. I also proficient in AutoCAD, SketchUp, Enscape, Lumiere, Photoshop, and Microsoft, with hands-on experience in residential and commercial projects. I also have a strong attention to detail, excellence teamwork, and a commitment to delivering practical, sustainable, and visually compelling architectural solutions. I was in school at Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Datuk Seri, where I've got my SPM and I've got 5 A's that time. And then I've taken a MUET test and got band 4. And then after that, I continue my studies in Polytechnic Sultan Abdul Halim Azam Shah in Jitra Kedah in Diploma in Architecture. And then after that, I've worked several times before I continue my studies in degree here in UNIMAS for degree in architecture. For my job experience, I've got several jobs that I have been before. For the first job is at company Vertical Architect Sandian Berhad from March 2022 until July 2022. As a technical draft person, I've prepared detailed architectural drawings including floor plans, elevation sections, and construction details using AutoCAD. Also produced 3D renderings for residential, institution, and commercial projects to support client presentation and design approval. Also utilized tools like SketchUp and Enscape, Lumiere, and V-Ray to visualize architectural concepts and specialists are very helpful in this project. And then after that, I continue to work at impressive land development Sandian Berhad at Johor from August 2022 to December 2024 as an administrative clerk. I was maintain and organize project documentation, including authority submissions files and correspondence with consultants and government agency. I also manage filing system for design documents, contracts, and technical reports supporting efficient project workflows. I also prepared documents such as a sale and purchase agreement and loan for customers and lawyers. After that, I do some freelance job, which is a drafter from November 2023 until December 2024. I was experienced in prepared detailed road marking plans for a private construction company at multiple project locations in compliance with local traffic regulations and safety standards. In collaborated with traffic management officers, I and project managers to ensure accurate representation of road signage, lane demarcations, and other traffic control elements. I was skilled in AutoCAD and civil drafting with a solid understanding of traffic layouts and regulatory standards. After that, I jumped into a company which called Architect Has Design Studio from December 2024 until September 2025 as assistant architect or project management. I was prepared detailed architectural drawings and documentations for Zeus Coffee's outlet around Malaysia across multiple locations, and submission architectural drawings for authority approval. I also manage authority submission such as local councils, Bomber, and others, ensuring timely approval and alignment with local building regulations. I also collaborate with clients, management, and authorities to facilitate approval processes. assist in the development and modification of architectural drawings, layouts, and technical details for commercial renovation projects. Really opened my eyes that there's a lot of things that we need to think about when we designed the building, even for renovations. Ensure all submissions and documents drawings meet the requirement by local councils and relevant authorities is my priority for doing my job properly. I think that's all for me. Because after that I was continue my degrees in UNIMAS here, and hopefully I've got my and hopefully I will done my degree with excellence. That's all for me. Thank you.